Alright guys, thank you for checking in to Stormtopia.com and the Stormtopia.com Facebook page. We're going to have a storm update right now as of 9 a.m. on Wednesday. Still raging blizzard here for a lot of New England, Connecticut, through Massachusetts and back all the way up into the North Country right now. We're seeing heavy bands of snow, occasionally falling at 2 to 3 inches per hour. Alright, we zoom in the radar imagery right now. You can see what's happening. Everyone's seeing heavy snow. It's shut down for the New York City metro area. Brooklyn, New York picked up about 12 inches, a little less elsewhere. My 8 to 12 inch forecast ended up verifying in that region, the New York City metro area, as well as what's interesting is that they picked up their 8 to 12 plus inches, in some spots a little more, in a period of 7 hours. Okay, which is just a testament to how strong these snowfall rates are. Here you can see the current radar imagery. Heavy snow south of Boston, between Boston and Providence. We're actually rain for a lot of folks though in there, however. Here's what you see interesting though. There, yes, you see the typical bands of heavy snow for a lot of southern England, and then you make your way back up into northern New England, and you see your heavy snow spreading back up through Maine as well. But what's interesting about the radar imagery out of Boston, is you see an eye-like feature, a little less precipitation once you get well south and east of the city. That is a low pressure center, and the low pressure center will continue to move off to the east. Alright, and as it does so, that eye-like feature is currently wrapping around Massachusetts, allowing for less and allowing for basically a dry slot here in southeastern Massachusetts. And then you see the snow coming back in off Rhode Island. So what you're going to see developing here is kind of you go from rain for southeast Mass back over to the dry slot, but then this backside is going to come in as snow, which I think is going to be an interesting turn of events for those folks. Could pick up a solid coating in a lot of spots, and then some spots even more on the order of 3 to 6 inches. But everything's going to go white for a little while, and it could be a mess out there. Now we take a look here at what's still happening. You see still raging blizzard right now on the NAM, and then by the time we make our way out to this afternoon, still moderate to even heavy bands spreading through New England. The storm is not done by the afternoon, which I think is an important point to get out to you guys. And then we make our way into the evening. It's still snowing light to moderate across most of New England. Light for most of us, perhaps moderate in Maine. In fact, a good chance of moderate in Maine, possibly moderate here for eastern Massachusetts. Snowfall accumulation, I really haven't changed my forecast since yesterday. I'm still looking. This stuff is already verified for the most part. Again, that 8 to 12 inch corridor, the New York City metro. Then you get the accumulations obviously increasing in southern New England. It's a solid 14 to 18 for most of the interior part of southern New England. That is verified so far. A lot of us coming up already close to 10 to 15 inches, and you're going to be getting more and more snow as we go through the day. Some spots are going to be getting more than 18, I'm not going to lie. Hartford already has 19 inches, so some spots are going to come up towards 18 inches and a little bit more than that, but 14 to 18 inches should verify most of the places. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the storm update. Please stay tuned to our website for more, and have a great day.